Remove background from a video. Import your video to timeline. Go to Program Monitor. Click on this wrench icon and select Transparency Grid option. Go to Effects tab and search Color key. Add the color key to your video clip. Select your video clip and go to Effects Control. Go down to the color key effect and select a little dropper icon beside it. Go over to your preview screen and click on a part of your background. Now adjust the color tolerance, edge thin and edge feather until your background completely disappears. But not so much that it removes the foreground objects. Now you can add a new background to this video. Move your video clip to layer 2. Now import your own background into the video. You can adjust the color key for the best results. This is the video preview. I hope this video is very helpful to you, so don't forget to subscribe.